Welcome back, everyone, to the Daily Market Podcast. Let's get started with the Corona update. In India, as I speak, there are total 47,945 confirmed cases with 33,108 active cases and with a recovery of 13,197 people and almost 1,636 people being deceased from this virus. And if I talk about the global numbers, the global tally stands at 36 lakh of total confirmed cases with more than 2 lakh 50,000 of deaths. And in US, the US is slowly approaching towards the 12 lakh mark with deaths approaching to 70,000 mark. So now get back to the business. In the international space, the tension between US and China appeared to ease as Deputy National Security Advisor Matthew Pottinger said that late Monday, in the late Monday that United States is not considering punitive measures against China over its handling of the pandemic. The situation is heading towards normalcy as more states, corporations turns to the idea of reopening for business. The corporate earnings season continues today with Walt Disney to report after the bell. The company has been hard hit by the pandemic with its theme park unlikely to open until 2021, cruises suspended and advertising on live sporting events on ESPN being cancelled. As of now, US markets are doing very well. As I speak, the Dow is up almost by 373 points, S&P up by 50 points and Nasdaq up by 160 points. So US equity markets are performing in a in more shade of green or in a darker shade of green. And if I talk about the commodity space and if I talk about WTI crude oil, then WTI crude oil is trading at 23 barrels per $23 per barrel with almost a gain of 17%. And if I talk about Brent oil, it's trading above $30 per barrel. That is almost 10% of gains. So overall equity markets look good, but only the concern is about the coronavirus. And let's see what happens with the developing story of corona drug. Now coming to India, today in the evening, Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Puri said that India will operate 64 flights to evacuate stranded Indians in the week starting from 7th May. Passengers evacuated for these flights will be charged and details of these plan of actions will be uploaded soon. You can find the detailed action plan of action on our social media platform as well. You can follow us across all the social media platforms and the links are given in the description box below. The equity market saw some profit booking at the higher levels today as Nifty gave up the 9,450 mark in the last hour of the trade. In the end, Sensex closed 261 points lower at 31,453 while the Nifty dropped 87 points to the end at 9,205. Bank Nifty started positive, but soon the constituents of the index observed profit booking, because of which it settled down by 472 points at 19,720 level. Both FIs and DIs were net sellers today in the cash market with selling of 1,059 crore and 995 crore respectively. All eyes will be set on Yes Bank tomorrow as it delivers its Q4 numbers tomorrow. So yes, this was all from me for today. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening too. And I'll see you soon in my next podcast. Till then, take care, goodbye, and yes, as usual, stay sharp and be updated. This is me, your host, Mihil Kumar Patwari, signing off for today. Take care, goodbye, God bless you.